Hey students and parents, this week for math, we're going to cover the area and perimeter of right triangles. So in order to find the perimeter of any shape, we need to measure the sides and add them together. In this case, we have 3 plus 4 plus 5. If we add those together, those three sides equal 12, and that's the perimeter of our triangle. So here we have two right triangles to practice on. The first one has sides measuring 8, 6, and 10. If we add those sides together, all three of them, that's going to give us a distance of 24 for the perimeter of that triangle. On this side, we have a triangle that measures 3 plus 4 plus 5. This will give us a measure of 12. So to find the area inside the right triangle, we're going to take the base and multiply that times the height. Now, if you see that in this example, a right triangle is actually half of a rectangle. So what we're going to do is, just like in a rectangle, multiply one side times the other. And in this case, we'll divide by 2 or multiply it by 1/2. Whichever one works easier for you, you'll still get the same answer. So if you multiplied 3 times 4, you'd get 12. Divide that by 2, and the area inside this triangle is 6. Here it is in the formula if you were to write it out. Again, the same triangle, 3 times 4 times 1/2, or another way, 3 times 4 divided by 2. You still get the answer of 6 for the area of this right triangle. So here are two other examples we can use to find the area of right triangles. Our first example here has measurements of 6 for the base and 8 for the height. If we multiply 6 times 8, we'll get 48. Now, we also have to divide by 2 or multiply by 1/2. When we do that, 48 divided by 2 is 24. That would give us the area of this right triangle. All right, now I would like for you to eye gaze, vocalize, reach point, or have someone hand over hand assist you as you look at this diagram of the right triangle. We're going to multiply the base times the height, which is 3 times 5. Then we're going to multiply that by 1/2, and we'll get an answer of 7.5 units. So what we talked about briefly is finding the perimeter of right triangles by counting the length of each side and adding them up, and to find the area of right triangles, which is taking the base times the height of the triangle and then dividing by 2 or multiplying by 1/2. I hope this was clear. If you would like other examples or to go over this further, I'll be posting some practice pages for you to work on. And if you would like to Zoom with me over this lesson, I'm absolutely available to do that during the school day. All right.